YouTube, this is Hilarious Gaming, and we are back with an updated video of my base interview. As last time, it wasn't as good as I made it, so now I updated it a lot, and it's way better than it was. My friend also put a skelly spawner down here, too, so that's awesome. So we can make money quickly, and we have 2 cow spawners we're also going to be putting in the base. And we do have a lot of Popeye because the raids is down. Basically what we do for raids is TPA to people, and they'll accept in their home, and then we'll go back, kill them, and raid them. So that's basically how we get Popeye. And yeah, this is my faction too, right here. Toxic Fusion too. Don't know who 205 David is. And yeah, and then we got potions. And then we got it's a way easier way of making money with this skeleton spawner. Because all we gotta do is literally go like this. And then they'll die. And then on the items, they'll go through this into the hopper and into the chest. Now I'm gonna fix the hoppers later because the guy who made this messed up on the hoppers. It doesn't fully go in the chest. We got an AFK machine too, so if you wanna be AFK where the skeletons spawn and stuff, just go in here, and yeah. And that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, I also covered the base in water, so if people were trying to TNT kill in it, there'd be less chance of getting raided. And we got potions. This is my chest up here. And that's basically it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.